Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Argo Academic Care. I am here with the model answer of first week English version Finance and Banking assignment of class 9. Let's see the question at first. One thing to say, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Click on the bell button if you don't want to miss any notification. Here is the question. For English version essay writing evaluation of finance, you have to write an introduction to the field of essay writing, concept of finance, evaluation and conclusion. Here is the answer. The topic is evaluation of finance. Introduction. After the introduction of money as a medium of exchange, there is a need for proper use of the money saved and borrowed by the people. As a result, financing management emerged as a separate branch. Financial management helps a businessman to earn enough profit from investing even a small amount of capital. Nowadays, finance is no more used as supporting system but as the main driving force of business. Concept of finance. Finance means this process related to fund collection and utilization. Finance plays an important role in determining the desired capital structure for the organization and ensuring a fair investment of the fund raised. Finance prepares, plan and implements necessary activities about what amount of fund should be collected from which source and where and how this fund is to be invested for highest profit in the project. Evaluation of finance. With the expansion of accounting in 18th century, finance was involved in the classical trend of macroeconomic. Finance was also involved in the own and specialized economics of the business at the end of 19th century. The trend of this financial evaluation gives us the meaningful idea about the nature and scope of finance. Pre-1930 decade. This time a trend of unification began among the companies of USA. Financial managers had to identify a framework about which company should be unified with which one by examining the financial statement of the companies. 1930s. Tendency of unification did not get much success in USA. Many of companies unified in the first decade turned into bankrupt in the next decade. From this time, fund collection through share selling started. 1940s. Necessity of liquidity was the main concentration at this time. Finance did that responsibility by ensuring well-planned cash flow with making a budget of cash flow. 1950s. In this decade, finance was involved in evaluating the most suitable investment project by using different mathematical analysis. This trend is considered as the traditional trend of finance. 1960s. Modern finance started in its journey from this time. Finance started giving priority in capital market. Shareholders are the owners of a company, so maximizing of the shareholders' property or market price of share become the main objective of finance of this time. If 1970s era of computerized activities started in this decade, this not only changed in production technique but also brought change into business finance. Most of the financial decisions are mainly based on complex mathematical calculation and the tendency of making these calculation very effectively. In computer get special popularity among the scholars who deserve mentioning for enriching business finance with different theoretical analysis were Harry Marcuse, Martin Miller, and Montefiore. 1980s. For expansion of business and sustaining in the competitive market system, finance involves in a new outlook by changing its previous role. Efficient distributions of capital among alternative projects of the company and calculation of analysis of income of these projects were the main activity of finance. 1990s. World Trade Organization revealed itself in this decade. Barriers of export and import started to decrease worldwide. This time, finance achieved internationality. In one hand, investment decisions of finance considered where in the world production and selling of which product could achieve profit. On the other hand, the scope of finance also include in its consideration which capital market of the world in of what type of and from which source found collections will be profitable. Conclusion. So at the end we can say that the concept of financing has taken a modern from through various chains over the decade from the past. As a result, finance is an applied field of solution in the financial management of a business organization which has developed in combination with accountancy, economic and some other financial subject. Subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Click on the bell button if you don't want to miss any notification.